Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set only me featured photo on Facebook story highlight. So first of all, open the Facebook app, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then scroll down here and you will find your highlights. So select the highlight you want to private. So this is the highlight, I want to select it. After that it will open the highlight. Now if I click on these three dots, then I should be able to get the delete highlight option. In Facebook you don't have the only me option for highlights. You can only delete it or edit it for your friends and families. You cannot set it to only yourself. Now if you want to change the setting for your future post, then you can just go back from here. After that go to the home page, then click on these three lines. Now open settings and privacy. Once you expand it, then go to settings. Now scroll down here until you find an option of post. Select it, then click on who can see your future post, and now click on see all and set it to only me and save your changes. With this setting, your future post will be only limited to yourself. So this is the way you can only delete your highlights. You cannot set it to only me, but you can change your future post settings to only me. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.